In this question, you need to analyze the table of values and then pick all the statements that are correct. When analyzing the table of values, I want you to pay specific attention to the y values. Notice that the y value starts at 9, and then it goes down to 4, it goes down to 1, and it goes down to 0. Then it starts to go back up to 1, 4, and 9. So the lowest point that it ever got to was right here at 0, when x equals 1. Therefore, because it goes down to this lowest point at 1 and 0, that needs to be our vertex. And as it continues to go down to this point and then go back up, that's also a minimum value. So the function has a minimum value at the vertex when y equals 0. Perfect. The function does not have a maximum value. We've just said it has a minimum value, so we're going to leave that one blank. Now because this graph has a minimum value, and it goes down to this point at 1, 0, our vertex, and then starts to go back up, we know that it opens up. So it opens up, not down. Now we need to determine how many x-intercepts this graph has. So how many times does it cross the x-axis? So we can see that it continues to go down all the way until we get to a y value at 0. And then it starts to go back up. So our vertex is right on the x-axis, right at when x equals 1, y equals 0. So there's only one x-intercept. Now for the y-intercept. The y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. And so we have one location where x equals 0, and our y-intercept is going to be right there at 1. All parabolas, in fact, have one y-intercept. So we can say the graph has one y-intercept. Now we can check our answer.